Good morning. Dave here. Good morning, YouTube viewers around the world. Dave here. Just finishing up on the cardio here at the Gold Gym in Austin, Texas. And I can barely see without sweat draining my eyes. I haven't been able to do any vlogs. I've been real busy at the farm. Hopefully it's just an update. I'll get back on the ball and do my everyday videos again. But as I said, we've been pretty busy at the farm, but didn't have a chance to do too much of anything. But anyways, it's Monday here, Monday the 7th of October, and I'm gonna continue on from here. I'm gonna get out of here because the heat's pretty much getting to me already. I've been in here for about 15, 20 minutes already. My iPhone pretty much shut down with the excessive heat. So I just barely turned on the Gopro. So it shouldn't be that hot right now for it, but I am sweating that off right now. So from here, I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the swimming pool and swim it off. All right. Chingada madre, vamos chingada.
They know their role. Yeah, they know their role. Exactly. I hate that. You know, she would probably never find the right phone. She would do the DS. Hold on, hold on. Much up. You should be able to download it. Like it should be. Yeah. Have a good day with it. I hope you get to at least watch a show. Well, you take that nice little napping afternoon and do something. Yeah. I'm sure you will nap too. Well, all right. Have a good day.
Well, this might be the last morning that I will enjoy at the gym. As you well noticed that a cold front came in. Pretty cold outside right now. It's not cold, but it is cool. It's probably gonna get colder during the week. So we're expecting the temperatures to dip down to the lower 40s. Is what I'm think that's gonna happen. This might be the last morning that I'll probably be able to enjoy the outdoor pool. Other than that, it looks pretty clear. Right? The Gopro went by and headed south, headed towards the southeast, so that's gonna be another issue. Other than that, I think I need a haircut already. On a side note, I hear the Gopro coming out with another Fusion, a Fusion 2 GoPro Max. I'm gonna see if I can try to order something like that. Apparently it's coming out on October 28th. They're not really available right now, but I'm gonna see what these people think about it first. I want to see somebody buy one and see what they think about it. Apparently it's supposed to be 3 cameras in one. Pretty much the 2 cameras would be the 360 and the other function would be the front screen would actually work as a face zoom. There's going to be a setting in there that will work like a Hero, like a Hero 8, Hero 7, Hero 6, but at the same time it'll also do the 360 format. Gotta watch that and see if it's true or not. Anyways, I'm gonna lock this thing down. I'm waiting for the Gopro to end, and then I'm going to take out back and get into the changing room and head out home and get some rest that work night at the farm. Y'all have a good afternoon and a good day. Getting out of the gym, I'm headed home. Like everybody else deals with their traffic. Everybody has something up their mind. They're either headed to work or somebody's taking their kids to school. And something's always happening. In my case, I'm headed home. I already got out of the gym. I did my exercises. I'm gonna head home and get some rest. It's 8:05 a.m. You can probably still stop at my mother's house. Maybe she might have some breakfast, but maybe I should just skip the breakfast. Who knows? I keep yawning so much. Anyways, I took a different route because normally I take a route where I have to pass through 2 school zones, and I've noticed that every time I get out of the gym, man, you're talking about 50 to 60 cars up in line just to get to the light. Like, my gosh, it takes forever. So I took another route, hoping I'd get home a little bit quicker, and it does seem a little bit better. I'm not looking at those 50 or 60 cars. But it's just the usual traffic here in Austin. I mean, I'm saying don't get the interstate because the interstate's always jam-packed with cars. But just ordinary streets here in Austin is pretty much filled up with vehicles. But because it's still people are still taking their kids to school, and people are getting out of work or going to work, and same usual routine. In my case, I have not bumped into those 50, 60 cars anymore because I took a different route, which is probably going to be a better route for me now. I was so used to going through another road. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. It's my, I'm starting to get sleepy already. I work 12, sometimes 13 hours a day, so. Correction, 12 to 13 hours a night sometimes. Sometimes I show up at 5 p.m. and don't go home till 6 a.m. Or sometimes I arrive at 6 p.m. and don't get out till about 7 p.m. 7 a.m. It all depends on the situation. Anyway, I gotta be careful with these people. They're crazy. They're angry. They need to get to their places. Why don't they plan some more time ahead instead of fighting the traffic? That's where the road rage begins. But hopefully they'll settle down because there's like a cop, 3 vehicles behind us, so they won't do their road rage crap. As you may notice, I no longer have the Tahoe. I am now driving a different vehicle, a newer one. But I don't have the equipment that's necessary for me to function correctly at work. It's slowly being installed. They're starting to put the emblems on the doors and stuff like that. So it's a slow process.
Go ahead.
I have no idea.
I don't know what you mean by.
I don't know.
have no idea.
I don't know what
How
they're
about
talking
web
about.
search for it?
I don't know what you're talking about. The voice activated deal came on from the truck. Pass his car here. That way. Anyways, I'm gonna come up to another school zone, so I'm gonna turn off this camera. I don't really like taking videos of schools. So I'll see you all in the next rebound. Y'all have a good afternoon, good morning, and be safe out there.